Bienvenidos todos a un nuevo Profitcast, donde estaremos hablando de Forex, criptomonedas, historias, motivación y mucho más. Recuerda que si lo puedes imaginar, es totalmente posible. Para mí es un placer hablarte el día de hoy con ustedes, su anfitrión, EmileTrader. Comenzamos. Alright, welcome everyone to another episode in English of the Profitcast. This is the number 50. This is the final episode of this season. Of course, it will be in English, just for you guys, the guys and the community that follow me that only speak English. Like I say, I'm doing my best to try also to share my content in English, my calls, my crypto calls and everything, just to help you guys to make money in this crypto world as well. So in this time, I want to talk to you about how get involved into cryptocurrencies, how buy the right coins and don't die in the process. Because a lot of things that happen right now is that people is getting into the crypto because the hype, because the pump, because the bull run, and people lose money when they just follow the feelings and they get into the FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. Any market have ups and downs, fluctuation. You have bull runs, a bearish run, consolidation areas, and then also have momentums. So in any moment that you feel that you're getting into a market just because you see people making a lot of money, or just because somebody tell you, hey, yo, look, you have to buy this coin. Yesterday was $1, now it's 100, it's going to 1,000, buy right now. And then at the end you're buying high and selling low and losing money. You have to step back and you have to rethink. You have to ask yourself, do I really short what I'm doing with my money in this market? Do I know what is a cryptocurrency? What is a coin? What's the difference between a coin, a token? What is the blockchain? What is the Binance Smart Chain? What is the Ethereum chain? What is all of this? So before you invest in the cryptocurrency market, my advice is please get the knowledge first. You gotta learn to earn. If you try to earn before learn, you will lose your money. So first steps is get the knowledge. You gotta understand what you invest in the cryptocurrency. Where is that cryptocurrency available to buy and how you can buy it. Once you see that, you gotta see the numbers to understand to where that coin could go. Oh, look, I'm buying this coin at 1 cent because my projection is at 10x. This coin from 1 cent, it will go to 10 cents. Why not higher? So if you ask me, Emile, why do you buy this coin and where is going that coin? I have an answer for that. I will explain you why I get involved in that coin, where I get the coin, and then why I buy at that price and when and where I'm taking profits. That's a key part. Understanding that you have to take profits on somewhere if you want to really live and make up income in this market. Some people buy because somebody tell, hey, yo, buy this coin. But the guy who tells you buy this coin will never tell you sell the coin, either in negative or positive or profit. So you gotta learn first, guys. So first of all, in the cryptocurrency market, there is a lot of opportunities. And one of the most common questions that I have is, Emile, yo, I saw your post, I saw your story. What is the coin? What about it? So I can teach you right now how to understand where see the list of the exchange that have that coin available. It's really easy, guys. Just go to coinmarketcap.com, which is for me my newspaper where I see what's happening right now in the market. And then whatever coin you see, I've been talking about it on my Profitcast, on my stories, whatever coin that you see because a friend tell you about it or you saw it somewhere. Do your own research. Go to coinmarketcap.com. Go on search and type the coin, and then you will see a bunch of options, and you can hit the one that says market. Once you hit the button that says market, you will see a list of the exchange that have that coin available. Right now, most of the new coins are listing on Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange where it's really easy to list new tokens, and that's why you gotta be careful because some of them are scam. Remember, when we're talking about this centralized exchange, there is almost no regulations, so you have to be careful because anyone can literally list a token built on either Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. So you gotta be careful on that. You gotta make sure that a project is legit. You gotta go and do your own research. You gotta see the website. You gotta see the partnerships. You gotta see the numbers, the market cap, and understand why that coin is a future for you. For example, a lot of you know that me, Emile, Drew, Cubans, and also a lot of people are being investing in share token. If you see share token, right now it's available in almost 10 exchange. KuCoin, one of the biggest ones. You can get it in your Trust wallet. And why I am investing in the share token since the beginning? Because share token for me has a revolution on how we use our biometrics, on how we are going to travel using the blockchain, and also how we store our data and we use that to travel and get the apps or decentralized application, and also how we exchange the money. So for me, share token is still at this price at 7 cents, a good entry price. Looking for a next TP at 50 cents and even $1. You will tell me, Armin, you crazy? From 7 cents to $1? Yes, it will happen. I don't know when, but it will happen. The same way that when I buy my first share token at 0.0015, I say, hey, yo, this coin is going to 10 cents. People call me crazy, and we hit already the 10 cents a couple days ago. So if you want to get involved with the right foot, share token is a good investment to start now. Besides that, for all the people who live in the US, they are pretty much using Coinbase, Gemini, also crypto.com, which is okay. It's okay. You put your KYC information, you put your ID, everything. But Coinbase for me is one of the worst exchange right now. Too much fee. They send all the information and they share all your information, your private information, and also when the markets go crazy, they just collapse and they don't allow you even to log in to sell or liquidate your position. So I don't recommend a Coinbase. Something that you can do is use the P2P exchanges. For example, there is one that I've been using that it calls Local Ripple Net. I think they're rebranding everything to switch to a alternative way to go. What is that change? P2P means person to person. So you buy or sell your cryptocurrencies to another person who is looking for exchange their USD to the cryptos. So pretty much when you use a P2P exchange, the people who buy or sell or the people who make the offer or the offer of the coins, they will accept any kind of type of payment. Sell, Cash App, PayPal, even sometimes gift cards. So you can use gift cards to exchange that for crypto money. This exchange right now is available. I think they're using Ripple, ADA, and Bitcoin as the principal cryptocurrency that you can change, and you can literally use sell, Cash App, or also different type of exchange method. Also, you can use cash, I think, sometimes. So the best way sometimes right now for me, I think, is a P2P way to exchange the money from your bank account or either cash to put in Bitcoin on the crypto markets and then move it to the exchange that you need have the money. When I say that, is because if you want to get involved, for example, in one of my last calls, which is skyrocketing, which is a GMB. If you want to buy GMB right now, you need your funds in KuCoin exchange. KuCoin is one of the best exchange that I see right now. I will say maybe the third or fourth or fifth position in the whole market. And then this KuCoin, if you need the money there, you just go to these P2P exchanges. You exchange your money, put in that KuCoin exchange on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or USDT, and then you go to trade market, a spot market trading on KuCoin, and then you switch or you trade or you swap your BTC, USDT, or Ethereum in this new coin called GMB. For example, another one, if you want to buy the MST and all these coins that I'm telling you right now, you gotta just go to CoinMarketCap, do your own research, type the letters, and then go to the website, see the numbers, see what they say in their Telegram groups, which is important to see the huge community sometimes. I also see the project or the CEOs talking about the new releases, the new updates, and everything. Something that Share Token have a lot. They're always updating everything. They're launching this month an app with staking and a bunch of service, so that's what expecting a big push up for Share Token this April, May, or at least before summer. Okay, so I'm going back to the change. Once you have the money in the change, you just go get the coin that you want. Remember, we're not using leverage, so literally the risk of losing your money if the coin disappears. Sometimes it just takes patience to see a lot of profits or even recover from some partial losses. Okay, so yeah, that's the way, guys. That's the way to go. If you live in the US, you can contact me, you can text me. I've been helping people to switch or move the money from the fiat world to the crypto world. Of course, there is a fee. That's something that I don't do it by myself. I have some people, they buy and sell coin for me, or they help me with the chain because they have their bank accounts connected to their exchange, because that's what they do. There is they call arbitrage. That's what they do. So I just send the money to them. They help me to either way buy coins or sell my coins, and they only charge me like between 3 to 5% for fee, which is nothing. And you are some way going away from those exchange like Coinbase that take all your money in the fees and then collapse when the volume goes up in the market. Also, before you start your portfolio, you gotta ask yourself, how much money do I have in my pocket? How much money do I have in my save account or my saving account doing nothing for me? For years, it's been there doing nothing. And literally, if that money has been doing nothing and I don't need it, can I put all of it in the market? Or should I put just 10%, 5%, 50%, 90%? Whatever you feel comfortable putting in the market, and then make like that money doesn't exist, it will be even better, because you can have that money in a middle long-term investment and literally see grow your money. Between you and me, guys, a couple months ago, my portfolio was at 400K. That was on November 2020. It was 400K. And today, I'm talking to you from the experience that right now I have close to 7 million in my own portfolio, my own money. My first investment was $300 on 2017, and then since that I started investing, flipping that profits, and also getting the knowledge. Every time that I get money in the markets, I understand why I made the money, what is behind this project, what are the new projects like DeFi protocols, farming, staking, all that, and the focus on keep studying, keep grinding. That's why it took me right now to hit this number in my portfolio. I mean, I can share with you, I was expecting to hit at least 10 million on my portfolio in the next 3 years before I get 30 years old. But all that is about to hit the same year when I am 27 years old. So for you guys, it's not about how much you invest. It's just about to start. It doesn't matter if it's $100, $500, $1,000, whatever money you put there, that's a seed that you're planting for your future. You're building your own wealth. You're building your retirement. So that's the way to go. That's the way to start in the crypto market and don't die in the process. Sometimes you gotta understand that all the coins that maybe Emile have is not the best way to start. We have to start with the coin that Emile have in his portfolio, or the one that I think that they are in a really good entry price. And how you can know that? Because you can see the price right now and you can see the preview all-time highs. For example, REEF, another coin, REEF, price at the moment 3 cents, previous all-time high 30 cents. So you have that number, that all-time high is your next TP. So from 3 cents to 30 cents It's 1,000% return, 10 times your money. When? Nobody knows when, but it will hit that all-time high again, because that all-time high is just acting as a resistance level that the market have to retest again. So that's an advice that will help you a lot in which coin start putting your money to flip that, and then get profit or swap the profits for the principal coins like Ethereum, DOT, BNB, NEO, Bitcoin, and start having your invested bit saving account in those principal coins. Okay, so that's the way to go, guys. That's the way to start. And any question that you have, feel free to text me on DM. I promise that for this year I will have my Crypto for Life course in English. Right now it's full in Spanish, but I promise I will have it in English for all of you guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this Profitcast. If you like it, just share it with your community, with your friends, and if you make a screenshot and tag me, tag you as well, tag the FIPT, and God bless you. And remember, it doesn't matter what you are and what you do for a living. You gotta understand the money is a tool that we use for build our dreams, for build our empires and our retirement and the legacy that we wanna live when we just pass away. So don't see the money don't see the money anymore as a necessity. See it as a tool to build. And then as a tool, you need to use it to build more. So use your money cleverly, investing smart with the crypto market war. Alright, guys. Peace, love, and remember, if you can imagine, it is possible. And I give you a bunch of calls during the Profitcast, so make sure you go back, you listen again, and the name of the coins are DMST, GMB, and Reef. Also, the big one, shared token. Bye-bye. Peace out.